Yeah, okay guys, so this is the rice. Can bring the camera closer. Okay, so this is the rice. We are going to be making our own fried rice today, still Easter. All right guys, so let's go ahead. I'm going to be putting my onions. You can take the camera down here. I'm going to put in my onions. All right guys, so I'm going to put in the spice that I'm going to be putting. This is garlic. All right, so this is my garlic and ginger spice. So I'm pouring it inside. It's a simple low budget fried rice. You don't need to go and be stressing yourself too much and like I have to do an expensive fried rice. Fried rice is fried rice. So this is curry masala. It's amazing. All right, I'm just using two. Okay, this is a big pot of fried rice. I think I'm doing about 10 cups. Okay, it's for the family. So this is the recipe I'm actually using. All right, so I want the greenish color, so I'm using Lasol, okay, spice to change the color to green. Okay, I just in the pot. All right, okay, so this is it guys. Yeah, so let's change the color, make the color greenish guys. All right, so this is what I use. I don't know what you use for yours. All right, so yeah, okay, I'm going to be cutting this. So this is the number 4 sachet because it's a lot of rice. Okay, I think I'm going to make it 5 for this. Yeah, I can bring it closer to the pot so they can also see the pot. Yeah. All right, so yeah, so guys, so this is my Maggi. My season is a lot of rice. Yes, I'm making this a big pot of rice so the family can have fun and enjoy it. Okay, so this is it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right, so, and this is my pepper. This is my pepper. I'm adding my pepper. Adding my pepper. And I'm actually having chicken to make this rice. So this is my chicken stock. So I'm adding my chicken stock. I want to add more water because we are ready to cook it. So I'm adding more water. Okay. Okay, I need to add more and more water for it to come up. Yeah, you have to be careful with your water so it won't be too soft. Okay, so let's turn it together. Let's turn it. Low budget fried rice. Low budget fried rice, guys. Okay. Are we having a green color? When it boils, that's how you see the green color. Will know better when it boils. So let's test it. You know, the village girl, I like testing with your hand. So I'm going to be doing that. All right. So this is how it looks. So let's test it together. Oh my god, this is delicious. Okay, so you're already having the flavor of the rice, the fried rice is already here. It's tasting very well. Okay, so you can do the same thing. If you notice you're not having the green color, you can still add up more. All right. Okay, so I'm going to be putting my fire now. Yeah, looking for my match. I'm going to be putting up my fire now. After all the mixing, I now have to put up my fire. So there's fire now in this rice. So this is how it looks. So we'll wait for it to boil. Then we see the color and see how it is. So I'm closing it up. All right, guys. So we'll come back and stay tuned to see the results of this our amazing and low budget fried rice. Okay, so this is how the rice looks now. So we are going to fry the vegetables that we are going to use to garnish the rice. So guys, let's go. Let's do it together. Okay, so let's light my fire. Okay, We are good. Please come closer so that you can see the pot. Okay, so we are going to be frying. This is my stock pot, my meat stock pot. Okay, I'm using groundnut oil. All right. So I'm going to be putting my. All right, when it's time, I'm going to show. Yeah, I'm using groundnut oil. You can also use your butter to do this. Okay, like you cannot put it like this. You can also use your butter to do this, but I'm using groundnut oil for this. Okay. Alright, we try it. It's not hot. Okay, so we move. This is our onions. So we are going to put our. This is our green pea. We have our spring onions in it, guys. So yeah. Then we add our carrots in here. So you can add your spice. I have one Maggi here. So if you have to, you can add your curry, you can add any other thing you want to. Oh, it's burning my hand. Okay, so you can turn it just for it to be soft a little. Okay, so allow it. Low budget fried rice, guys. That's what we are making here. Okay. So we allow it to boil. We allow it to get soft a little. So you allow it to boil for like just few minutes. Okay guys, so just few minutes you allow it to boil. So that's what we are waiting for. You can put your spice, you can put your curry, whatever you want to put, but I think I'm good with this because already my rice is spicy. It has a nice taste already. Okay, so we are almost there. We are almost there. We are almost there. We are going to be turning it into the rice. Alright guys, so we are turning it into the rice now. So guys, let's do it together. Let me get it here so we can see it better. Okay, so this is it. So in case you're confused how to make your fried rice, this is the easiest way to make your fried rice, guys. Fried rice is ready. Fried rice is ready, guys. Let's keep this here. Okay, so we are going to be mixing it. You can bring the camera closer. So we'll mix it together. So guys, this is it. Yeah. So that is our fried rice. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so yeah, so you can continue mixing your own. I don't want to mix mine too much. All right, so we are good with our fried rice. So film the cook. Film the cook. All right, guys. So thank you so much. Thank you, guys, and bye.